I tried Talisman wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first downloaded the Talisman wallet app, I didn't expect much. Another crypto wallet, I thought. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Talisman might just be one of the most underrated wallets in the world, especially if you're into Polkadot or Cosima. On day 1, setup was quick. The app immediately recognized networks like Polkadot, Moonbeam, and Aster without requiring any extra configuration. Unlike most multi-chain wallets, Talisman feels optimized for the Polkadot ecosystem from the ground up, not just a general crypto app trying to support every chain. By day 2, I connected to decentralized apps using Talisman's browser extension. It worked flawlessly with dApps like Parallel Finance and Aquila. Transactions were fast and the interface clearly displayed what I was signing, a huge plus for avoiding scams. By midweek, I started importing accounts from other wallets like Polkadot is. The process was smooth, and I loved how Talisman gives users control over custom networks and assets without making it complicated. Most wallets get this wrong, but Talisman's layout makes multi-chain navigation easy. By day 6, I noticed something unique. The wallet actually educates users. It displays staking opportunities, governance options, and even ecosystem updates right inside the dashboard. It's not just a tool, it's an entry point into the broader Polkadot world. After 7 days, here's the shocking truth. Talisman isn't trying to compete with MetaMask or Trust Wallet. It's building its own identity as the go-to gateway for the Polkadot ecosystem. It's fast, decentralized, and surprisingly user-friendly for a project that's still growing. If you're curious about staking or exploring parachains, Talisman is the perfect starting point. It's simple enough for beginners, but powerful enough for advanced users, and that's a rare balance to find.